Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add someone on Telegram with QR code in 2024. So let's get started. So if you want to add someone with your QR code on your Telegram, so to do that what you can do is just simply open up your Telegram application and then tap on the three bar icon which is on the top left, then tap on settings. After tapping on settings, now in the top of your screen you will find the QR code option. Just simply tap on it, and after tapping on that, now in the bottom of your screen you will find share QR code. Just tap on share QR code and then select the application that you would like to share your QR code with. After selecting the application, just simply select the person and then tap on send. And after tapping on send, just again tap on the bottom arrow which is on the top right, and the QR code will be sent successfully. Now if that person scans the QR code, then the person will automatically be added as a friend on your Telegram account. So that's it guys, this is how to add someone on Telegram with QR code in 2024. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.